Kimani,
And
recording.
oh, and they, you can do the spicy wing challenge. You can get it from what is it called? Buffalo wing
Yeah, but
place.
those, I don't really want to try those right now. Soon I'm gonna get them. Hi, Kimani.
But that buffalo wing place is way in Fort Lauderdale.
No, it's
It's right there.
right now.
Oh,
Oh my God, if I get that,
it's gonna be hot.
why will your feet breaking out too?
No, that's when I was scratching my feet. I scratched it.
Oh, if I ain't the hamburger pack,
It's a family pack.
it's the
That's
big pack. You
14.90.
remember? We had got the big pack.
No, this one comes with the same amount. It's 11.99.
See, we should have went to the Winn Dixie by our house is cheaper. They ground beef cheaper.
This,
What?
this, this, this,
11? What I say?
15.
No, it's yellow. The yellow one.
That is
14.
that's 14.
It's a lot, bro.
All of them is 14.
This one's just 12.
That one is $12.
No, this is $12. Round.
Huh? Oh. Which kind of grease? Yeah, but then I had pressed. Oh, I was not even recording. My bad, but you just missed it.
It has been deleted. You have the freezer bars with the real active.
Mhm. Could you see me clear?
Yeah,
How does it look?
good.
My face. I see you. All of the freaking water is gone. Oh, except those. They just put those when Dixie brand out.
$3 for 9. That's a good deal.
I don't like aquafina. Okay, let's go. They took all the freaking water off the shelf, and the hurricane didn't even come. I don't know what that was, people. I really don't know what that was. Even all the freaking sodas are gone. Money. Money.
Yeah.
Tell them, uh, tell them, tell them about the hurricane. What happened? Nothing.
Nothing really happened. I think it might do it tomorrow. Because sometimes the news may be wrong and sometimes it may be right. So you can't really go by it. But you should be like already prepared instead of getting that last minute when they had nothing left.
So people, those people took all of the freaking things off the shelf
Water.
yesterday. All of the
No more
water,
beans left.
and it was nothing in the freaking shelf. I went there to go buy water. I mean, it was gone. So I didn't have no water, but I'm thankful that nothing happened. The hurricane didn't really come. It was just like rain.
At least all the wine was here. What are they gonna do with that?
Oh, they got plenty of beers though.
Wine.
Plenty of beers.
These are very expensive.
Yeah. Oh, these are good too.
Stock them up. These are expensive too. At least they have some Sunday.
Wine.
This is what barber drinks.
Oh. Oh.
Love to drink those. So, Barb, your service at the concert. There's some green bananas.
What the heck is this?
This is called yucca root.
Oh, this is yucca.
Yucca.
I like yucca if it's cooked right.
What about these? This is banana green, no gas.
What is banana black? Look at this, is disgusting.
What?
Mm.
I think you cut this
Smells like
open and eat the inside.
Maybe.
Because it's mushy inside. And what is this?
I don't know. Oh, look at the potato.
They probably people poke their nose in it, like poking their nose. That's why you get the package.
Microwave these. You can microwave these potatoes.
Dummy.
Tamaya.
Tamaya, you have to do it with. She did it so wrong.
Dummy.
I don't
These
know.
are the white
She
potatoes.
did it too
You
early.
guys follow
I didn't
my
even
page
see it.
on YouTube.
Money.lv.
Follow our page on YouTube. I just posted one last week.
Yeah.
These peppers are so hot.
Oh
I
yeah.
saw a
So
challenge.
Yeah,
maybe
peppers.
I might do a challenge and
These
eat
peppers
like
are
five
so hot.
of these peppers.
Maya, one, they'll be burning your mouth. These are so hot.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, but
these are peppers habanero.
yeah, these you gotta cook with them.
These are so hot.
That's not even hot, you
These
guys.
will be burning your mouth, Maya. You think it's not hot? And I saw one man eat his whole thing.
What is Tamaya's?
What are you doing, Maya?
Tamaya's buying fruits.
Would you ever eat one of these whole things for $1,000?
Of course, maybe like $2,000.
Like an apple.
Okay, guys. So my babies, I'm here at the grocery shopping a day after of the hurricane, which it didn't come. And I even won something for the lotto. I'm rich.
How much did you win?
I won like $2,000 now.
$2,000.
Yeah.
Why you didn't go cash it in?
I am right now.
Oh.
Would you eat this for $2,000? The inside of it?
Yes. May have a challenge you could eat there. Okay. Okay, I'm recording. Okay, you guys.
These are kind of
pumpkins are so cool.
heavy. Look at this
these
one.
with the-
Spider. type of
Look at all
pumpkin.
those designs.
And this
They also
bear.
have-
You know you got the computer.
They also have.
You see these? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Is that real? Oh, somebody dropped them.
There's like a ball. I don't think they're real.
Money. Focus on me. Y'all just focus on me, girl.
And look
Ooh.
at this.
Oh,
My.
look at this one. This is so cute.
Ew.
And also,
I
you
like
can
this.
buy this.
Oh, it's too much stuff going on at one time. Okay, thank you.
Look at all the pumpkins, Maya.
Oh, Coca-Cola, buy one get one free. But I don't drink them. Oh, look at those.
This is light.
So nice.
So,
You have to
I
train
don't know
with the
if we going. Wait.
They have to train with the top.
I'm going to train with some Takis. Let me see if I can find some Takis.
It's on this app.
I bought Takis anyway.
Mine over here.
Right here.
I think you get the same bag.
I got a bag at home.
That's a dynamite. Dynamite's hot too.
Yeah, but these are hot, but those Takis are hotter.
Hotter, yeah.
Let's
The
find
chip
out.
out down here, Maya.
The chip bottle is. Oh, down here.
Oh. You can train with these too. You can eat a whole bag of them. Or
Eat
like
a whole bag of these and your mouth be on
hot
fire.
fry. These are here, but these are the bomb though. But these will burn the heck out of your mouth. So
These are
I'm
good,
gonna
but
train.
it's not hot.
Train with the hot fry. I mean the hot Cheetos. Takis too. Takis are really good. Okay, let's go find Grandma. I'm gonna go this way. I'm at the store because we just had like
And
a
you be saying with
hurricane, so they
the
say. I
sour
don't know what
patches,
that was.
the sour patches ones. This is really sour.
No, we need the spicy because I'm, I'm right.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
so they so-called we had a hurricane. It didn't really come. I don't know what that was. It was like
It
a
wasn't no
small
rain.
rain, a little wind. It wasn't too bad though. Thank God.
See, I like this. See, I like the chili beans. See the chili beans.
Bowls plate. Ground beef.
Hot chili sauce.
Hot chili.
Bowls. Hot
You
chili
need to
plate.
put 2 packs of that in there.
That's what the roaster do.
It make it really
Oh, you
spicy.
got your Fanny, let me see.
Cluster.
Nice.
Seasoning. Yeah. $7.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's hot. Okay, let me get a let me go up here.
When you put 2, your mouth will be on fire. You be
But
trained.
it's good like that.
Yeah, but you was trained with the chili too.
Oh, she said, how is they food she never tasted?
Good. And what happened?
That too.
She said she never tasted.
Oh.
Tomato, add them to my banana. I'm not going to
Okay,
shop
this
so it's gonna get-
14. It's $14. 15, 16. This 17 is 18, 19.
I'm not going to shop.
I know I'm supposed to pay cash with this. Okay, I'm gonna go up.
You got not the spicy one. I thought they
you
was
thought
the
it was?
spicy one.
Those are the, what is that? The loose, rich flavors.
Yeah.
Roast chicken. But those are the spicy ones coming in. I'm like,
Hey, Tamaya, what you doing on the phone?
Nothing.
Oh.
No, 10%. 9% now.
Hey, Tamaya's playing on the phone.
Huh?
You playing on your phone?
these are at Dollar Tree for $1, and right there is $3.
Oh. Money.
Dummy.
I'm not laughing with you. Don't hit me. No.
That was hilarious.